we're about to show you a 20,000 square foot workshop.
How many square feet is our shop, John? Six?
We're at Maple Landmark, and today we're getting a full behind the scenes, full access tour to everything they do here. So let's go on in and get started. Mike, thank you for doing this.
Sure.
Appreciate it. Mike is the owner of Maple Landmark here in Middlebury, Vermont, and we're gonna take a shop tour, see what you got going on.
Yeah, we can show you.
All right, let's do it.
This is our lumber. This is raw material we bring in. It's largely Vermont sourced maple, a little bit of pine, cherry.
How much wood do you think you're going through a year? If you could rough estimate.
It's roughly 80 to 100,000 board feet.
And then you take it to the next step.
Yep,
Which
we
is?
take it right to our what we call lumber prep, our rough mill. Start breaking it down. So this is our lumber prep. So we bring our lumber up, we plane it, we chop it to length, to size, width, whatever we need. We have a resaw, we cut it thinner if it needs to be. Once we get down to the other end, we've got precision cut pieces that are right to final dimension for whatever the application is.
So you have two guys and in this section, and their job is just prepping all the wood and getting it ready for then the next step.
That's right.
Okay,
That's right.
gotcha.
Just getting it ready for the rest of the shop, whatever happens.
Yep. That's incredible.
Steve is just cutting some square blocks down for the lathe turning. So we'll be seeing that in a couple of minutes. Next operation is the CNCs for a lot of our products, so we can look at those.
CNCs, nice.
So this is routing some tree line terrain maps.
Okay, we're doing a little behind the scenes here.
Okay.
John and I are actually making a video for our channel, but also for Maple Landmark. So, we interviewed Nathaniel. Who you may recognize. Nathaniel?
Hey. Nathaniel.
Nathaniel, okay, Peter, nice to meet you. What has happened since the last time you were on the channel 11 months ago?
Well, since the last time I was on the channel, I cut my beard off, first and foremost. But we also sold our business. So we are now part of the Maple Landmark family. You may remember me from the video about 3D wooden maps, tree line terrains. One here, sticking around. It's a little Vermont.
Nice.
Hey. But we're making them here now. So we have since sold, and it's been a great experience.
We'll have to invite you back when we do more shop tours.
Yeah, please
We'll
do.
just invite you to tag along.
Yeah, you can see how I changed over time.
Yeah. Well, we just wanted to include Nathaniel in here because he's here. So, all right, we'll get back to whatever we were doing.
So that's
Champlain.
Champlain, I think.
Yep. How long about does it take to cut one of these maps out?
A couple of hours. Between the two passes, it probably takes a couple of hours.
Gotcha. All right, what are we seeing next? Just bigger CNCs?
Bigger CNCs.
All right, awesome.
So this is cutting out some little train engine cars.
Okay. So how many hours a day is this machine running?
It's a full shift.
Okay. And what's a full shift? 6 a.m. to
2:30.
2:30? Okay. Wow. Is it changing the bit right now? Wow. That's crazy. I had no idea they could do that. This thing is so cool.
It really is.
It's incredible. Wow.
It's what 60-year-old technology can do.
Wow. And what's going on with this spinning wheel over here? You see that, John?
We gotta go look at that.
We gotta go look at that. What's going on with that?
Well, that's our tumbler.
Tumbler, okay.
So that's for smoothing edges on small parts.
Smoothing edges on small parts. Okay.
So we don't want to be hand sanding small parts. We don't want to be flat sanding small parts. We can just tumble them, and it takes hours.
So you're putting the pieces in something like that with rolled up sandpaper.
Yeah.
And then it's all just tumbling it, and with time it just gets all the rough edges down. Is that the okay? Cool. So what do you do with all the scraps and the waste?
So we put it out for kindling, for locals, for firewood, or,
Okay.
or whatever.
So people can just come and grab it for free?
Yeah.
Awesome. You might need to pick up some firewood today. And as you heard, Mike started this when he was 15. He's now a little bit older than 15. And look at this place. This is incredible. On to finishing. Danger, caution. All right.
What the heck are we doing?
Legs.
Legs?
Legs.
We don't make legs.
Well, Bart wants them black.
Oh, for the show booth. Okay.
This is painting, finishing.
Yep. Yeah. Spray paint. We do some dip finish, some brush finish.
So is this where you do the epoxy too?
Epoxy is in the next room.
Okay, gotcha.
Out here in the annex space, we apply the epoxy to the maps.
Epoxy does come from Amazon too.
Oh, really?
So I'm only going down into here with it.
Okay.
And you tape off, of course.
Yeah.
Make sure you have
sure.
a really good seal. And if it's on an edge like that, always wrap it around so it doesn't run in. The secret is to go as close as you can get without it touching. And here's the trick. I don't know if you guys do this part when you play with it. If you look down in there, if you can get close enough with the camera, you might catch all the little bubbles popping. There we go. See them popping down there?
Yeah.
So we've seen you make the products, paint the products, and then we've heard something about upstairs.
Yep.
So what happens upstairs?
Upstairs is our final assembly, packaging, labeling, whatever it needs to be for everything to come together. So we'll go up there next. So yeah, we have all the various things we put together come up here. This back area is our name train space. So we do bright colors, clear finish, pastels, even some printed wallpaper designs, we call them. So, you know, you could buy an A in about 19 different ways, something like that. It's crazy.
Huh.
So we do brights in 6 different colors. Mm-hmm. We do pastels in a different palette of 6. And we just have to have them all on hand. We don't assemble everything immediately out of the finish room.
Yeah.
Because half of the cost is the final step of putting all the component parts on.
Okay.
So we can have a lot of product that's ready to sell within a day's notice. Drill them here,
drill 'em here, okay, yeah.
for, I can show that. So they've got the hole in them for the magnets for how they connect together. And they get to the assembly line.
Okay.
You put the magnets on. There's a front and a back, the polarity of the magnets. You got to get that right.
Right.
So you got to know what the front of the letter is and the back of the letter, and you got to have the right magnets in the right place. It's more important that we get it right than we worry about time at this point.
Yeah.
So then we have workstations for putting other products together and doing some tic-tac-toe games, getting them ready to be wrapped up. Actually, a custom job for the U.S. Senate gift shop.
U.S. Senate gift shop.
So we have donkeys versus elephants.
No, really?
On the
Oh my
tic-tac-toe.
With all the division in our country, we're making tic-tac-toe boards. Do you think that's helping or hurting?
I don't know.
So do you guys sell a lot of stuff to like the government or like, you know?
Just anybody, anything.
Anybody,
shops.
anything.
We've dealt with a lot of interesting jobs.
Have you ever done anything for presidents?
Yeah, we've done inauguration commemorative things. I don't care who it is, it's business. And if they buy American, that's all the better.
Right.
It's better to keep the money here. And
Yeah. Did you ever like just take a step back and go, wow, I was 15, my grandpa was driving me around in this truck, and now I've got, what do you say, 40 employees and 20,000 square feet? I mean, do you ever just like think about that? How impressive that is?
It's mainly we still have to get through the next day.
Yeah.
You know, I don't celebrate too much.
Okay.
I literally cut things out with a hand coping saw, and I had a sanding block when I started.
Yeah.
That's my original saw that I cut things. I cut hundreds of things out with that saw,
Including this board.
including that.
Wow.
Yeah.
What year would you say that was?
76, 77, somewhere in that range.
Wow. Cool.
And now we've got all this machinery. I've been to shows, retail shows where, you know, ladies looking at the ornaments and she's getting excited about some of the ornaments we make, and the husband comes on and says, well, you know, they just have a machine that stamps those out. And it's like, okay, guy, dream on. You know, there's work in everything that we do.
Yeah, right.
You know?
Yeah, it's not a conveyor belt that does it all for you.
That's right.
We've done the shop tour. We've done an interview. Everyone's in a meeting now, so we're gonna go and get some random footage. And I guess I'm just gonna...
Split up.
Yeah, split up. Great. This is all the finished products and the packaging and where they send stuff. Can you kind of walk me through what you're doing?
Sure. So when our orders come in, they get typed up, and then everything that we do is handpicked.
Okay.
We don't have any computers or robots running around the shop
Yeah.
to handpick. So, and each area down here has specific products. So,
Okay.
And things are generally organized by SKU number, and so then, and the most popular, like these are name trains are the most popular.
Okay, yep.
So they are organized by SKU, and so I just go right down through and pick what I got, and if I don't have it, I highlight it.
Cool.
And I've got to make it upstairs.
Awesome, thank you. And then in here, this is the workshop. It's gonna be loud, so I don't know what you're gonna be able to hear. Also feels very weird being alone filming. John's elsewhere. I don't want to like go in too far because I don't want to bother anyone, you know, but I'll poke around, see what's going on. That's a big old joiner. This right here, this is John. John is the other half of Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. He's working hard at the moment. Getting some B-roll. All right, let's go where it's quieter.
Look at this. First computer operated router.
Cool.
First shop.
Oh, no way. That's cool.
1970. Think about that. What's that? That's 200 square feet. Now we're sitting in a 20,000 square foot shop.
And then you get a window overlooking the production floor. So that's pretty cool. Someone sanding, tumbler thing going. I've just started playing with the toys. All right, guys, there it is. That was incredible. Thank you, Mike, for showing us. Yeah, I mean, we saw everything, every step. Thank you to everyone we got to talk to. A lot of people did make it into the video, but everyone was super cool. And I mean, amazing story. He started when he was 15, and I mean, look at it now. So yeah, we've been loving doing these shop tours. If you guys want to see more of these, make sure you let us know in the comments down below. If you want to check out Maple Landmark, we'll leave their stuff in the description down below as well. But yeah, can't thank them enough for letting us come and tour this place. And can't wait to see what you guys think of it.